Hey YouTube, this is the guy, and I'm back with another unboxing stuff blind bags. Today we have Teenymates. They're our football blind bag. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of them. So let's get into these. They have 2 little figurines. Collect 32 teams. Collect all 32 teams. This is Series 5. They're collectible NFL figures. You get two figures plus 2 puzzle pieces. So let's get into this. These are official bullshit little mini figures. I just thought I'd do these because I've never done them before. And yet, there are no pull tabs for these. So, let's figure out how to open these. Bear with me, people. There we go. We'll use a shitty pen to open them. Let's see what we got. This looks like the paper to collect, that show all the collectibles. You get a glow-in-the-dark throwback, an Emerald Ice figure, another Philadelphia Eagles throwback, an Atlanta Falcons throwback, and a metallic gold finish figure. So let's see who we got. First off, and I dropped him, we got a Miami Dolphins figurine. Unfortunately, doesn't say who he is. So we got Miami Dolphins figurine, and we have, god damn it, a Pittsburgh Steelers. Let's take them out of the bag so you get a better look at them. And they look like eraser toppers. Yeah, you got a Pittsburgh Steelers. So we got a Miami's Dolphins and a Pittsburgh Steelers. And of course it comes with puzzle pieces. 2 puzzle pieces. That's bag number 1. Bag number 2. Another one of those little charts. Puzzle pieces. Don't need to show those. We got bear with me, I'm not really a big sports fan, but I don't know who that is. It has a little eagle on the side, but we got him. And then another one in a plastic bag. This doesn't have a logo on him, but oh no, this is a Browns. So we got a football player from the Browns. That's 4 figures so far. Onward to bag number 3. We got a guy from the Pirates. Guy from the Pirates. And another bagged one. Ooh. Another one from one of my favorite teams. We got a Patriots. Another one of these thingamabobbers. 2 more puzzle pieces, which I can care 2 shits less about the puzzle pieces. Onward to number 3. So far we got 6 figurines. By the end of this we'll have 12. Another one of those. We got the one with the horseshoe on it. And then another one in a little baggie. And then 2 more puzzle pieces. I think this is the little guy from the Chargers. He has a little lightning bolt on the helmet. Bear with me, guys. I'm only doing it this way because I didn't feel like booting up the laptop to do it that way. And I gotta use my camera every now and then when I get the chance. But trust me, I'll go over the 12 figures afterwards. We got a guy from the Buffalo Bills. Another puzzle piece. If I keep doing these and I get all the puzzle pieces, I will put them together and I will show you what it builds. Ooh! We got a Dallas Cowboy. Last bag. We got a Bronco. And a San Francisco 49er. I think that's who it is. So let's go over these. We got a Bronco. 49er. You guys can argue with me in the comments that I'm probably wrong. Buffalo Bills. Whatever the horseshoe one is, I think it's the Colts. Dallas Cowboys. New England Patriots. These guys are so fucking small. Pirates. Chargers. The Browns. I believe that's the Falcons. I could be wrong. Miami Dolphins. And the Pittsburgh Steelers. And then let's go over the puzzle pieces because I doubt I have enough to build a thing. You know what? Fuck the pieces. So that's it for me today, guys. I did Teenymates football figures. I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you. See you later.